Welcome back to How to Save Money on Your Electric Bill 101. Last video we talked about what to look for on a solar company's website. Today, the final step is to ask these 3 questions before signing a solar contract. The first question you want to ask is, who is actually installing my solar system? Not every solar company installs their own systems. Some companies sell the project and then hand it off to a subcontractor. There's nothing inherently wrong with subcontractors, but you should know who's going to be on your roof and who's responsible if you have questions after installation. Ask who will be managing your project from start to finish and who you'll be calling if you ever need service. Every home is different. Your roof, your energy usage, your future plans, they all matter. A quality contractor should take the time to understand your goals and create a custom proposal instead of offering the same system to everyone. Whether you're planning to buy an EV, add battery storage, or simply lower your electric bill, your system should be designed around you. This one's a big one. Solar is a long-term investment. You shouldn't feel pressured to sign the same day or be told you have to decide immediately. A reputable contractor will educate you, answer your questions, and give you the time you need to review your options. The right company earns your business. They don't. At the end of the day, choosing a solar company is just as important as choosing solar itself. Take your time, ask questions, compare your options, and work with a contractor you trust. That wraps up our How to Save Money on Your Electric Bill 101 series. We hope these videos have given you the tools to make informed decisions and feel more confident as you explore your options. Whether you decide to go solar or not, our goal is to help homeowners understand the process, avoid high-pressure sales tactics, and find solutions that truly fit their needs. If you have questions or would like a customized estimate, our team is always here to help.